Welcome to Our Daily Health. Stiff neck. 11 home remedies for stiff neck. How frequently do you rise unable to turn your head due to neck pain? Stiff neck is a problem that affects many people, and it's prevalent more than you can imagine. About 16% to 75% of the population worldwide experience neck pain. Neck pain is excruciating and could alter your daily life. Nevertheless, how does it occur and what causes it? Neck stiffness occurs when your neck muscles become strained. Poor posture, stress, or repetitive neck movements causes stiffness. But sometimes, a minor injury can also cause neck soreness, with pain ranging from mild to severe. Thankfully, natural remedies can help you ease the pain without the need to see your doctor. Stiff neck. 11 home remedies for stiff neck. Number 1. Acupuncture. Acupuncture involves the penetration of needles into specific pressure parts of your body. Eastern medicine has practiced acupuncture for thousands of years. The spine health studies show that acupuncture stimulates biochemical changes in the pressure points and the central nervous system, CNS. These changes promote pain relief and other beneficial effects in some cases. One session lasts about 15 to 30 minutes. The needles are then removed and discarded. However, you'll need to visit a certified practitioner for the services. Number 2. Set an ergonomic workplace. If you spend hours working at the computer each day, this is why you have a sore neck. Try to adjust your chair to put your extremities flat on the floor and your knees below your hips. Your arms should rest on your desk and your back straight. Again, using an ergonomic keyboard or mouse while putting your computer at eye level would help. Once you've taken these steps, it's also advisable to stand, move, and stretch after every hour to loosen muscles, reduce pain, and prevent a reoccurrence. Number 3. Refrain from sleeping on your stomach. Another remedy for a stiff neck is avoiding sleeping on your stomach. Here's the thing. When you sleep on your stomach, you strain your neck and spine. Why? Because you tend to turn your neck in one direction when sleeping in this posture. Still, sleeping on your stomach changes the alignment of your head and neck, leading to severe straining of your neck and back muscles. The Harvard Health Publishing recommends sleeping either on your side or on your back. By doing so, you minimize neck and spine strain. Number 4. Apply heat or cold compresses. Warm or cold compresses can give you quick relief from a sore neck. Compresses relaxes your muscles while increasing blood flow in the neck. What's more is they help in numbing the pain. Also, heat application will loosen your neck muscles and improve motion in your neck. Dip a towel in heated water and squeeze out excess water, then put it on the back of your neck. You can also place a cold compressor on your neck to get similar effects. Put the compresses 10 minutes each and 3 times daily for quick relief. Number 5. Limit physical activity. If your neck stiffness started after engaging in physical activity, you should avoid being physically active until it subsides. However, limit heavy lifting and activities that could further strain your neck muscles when you're in pain. Additionally, in the initial days of your symptoms, it's advisable to reduce the amount of physical activity. In turn, you'll get relieved from pain. If you want quick relief, avoid doing sit-ups and leg lifts, ballet, football, weightlifting, and jogging. If you're enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Due to its anti-inflammatory attributes, apple cider vinegar effectively alleviates pain and swelling in various parts of the body. What's more, it has antioxidants that help reduce stress and reduce muscle pain. For this remedy, add apple cider vinegar to your bathtub, then add warm water and soak in for 15 minutes. Do this once daily to relieve the pain. Alternatively, soak a clean cloth in diluted apple cider vinegar and apply it to the affected area. Let it stay for 20 minutes to work effectively. Number 7. Take magnesium supplements. Another perfect home remedy for sore neck is magnesium. Magnesium plays a huge role in controlling stress and reducing pain associated with neck stiffness. Most people increase their daily intake of magnesium for this reason. An increased intake of magnesium reduces inflammation and, as a result, alleviates pain. Furthermore, magnesium can also relax your sore muscles. Foods such as nuts, seeds, spinach, and legumes have substantial amounts of magnesium, so you can consume these foods to ease your symptoms. However, taking a supplement is more efficient. The recommended dosage by the National Institute of Health is 310 to 420 milligrams daily, but this depends on age and gender. Nevertheless, do not exceed the recommended dosage. Number 8. Take an Epsom salt bath. Similar to magnesium, Epsom salt reduces muscle soreness, thereby reducing stiffness. The magnesium sulfate in the salt is liable for this effect. Moreover, it can improve blood circulation in your body, fostering quick relief. Start by filling your bathtub with water, warm, and then add 2 cups of Epsom salt. Allow it to dissolve and then soak yourself in the water for 20 minutes. Do this 3 times a week to ease neck stiffness and pain. Number 9. Get a massage. A relaxing massage is an excellent way to alleviate neck stiffness. In addition, a massage boosts blood circulation to your neck and leads to reduced symptoms. It also relaxes your muscles, helping you sleep better. First, take a warm shower to loosen the stiff muscles. After, slightly warm olive oil in a bowl and apply it to your neck using your fingertips. Then, massage your neck area gently in a circular motion for 5 minutes. Do this remedy 2 times a day until the pain subsides. Number 10. Gentle neck exercises. As simple as it sounds, gentle neck exercises go a long way in easing neck pain and stiffness. Since stiffness is caused by straining your neck muscles, a simple exercise will help. To start, sit on a straight chair and relax. Then, gently nod your head up and downwards a few times. While still in this posture, tilt your head slowly towards your right and left shoulder alternatively. Lastly, roll your shoulders while keeping your head straight for about 3 minutes. Repeat these exercises daily to loosen your tight muscles and reduce pain. Number 11. Rest. You heard that right. Rest is paramount when you have muscle stiffness. Any other jerk can worsen your symptoms. Take some rest whenever possible to allow your body to pull through the pain naturally. Try to relax at home. It could be on the couch or any cozy corner you prefer. Ensure there's no disturbance. This could be a perfect time for you to meditate to relieve stress, which surprisingly is one cause of neck stiffness. Alternatively, take deep breaths, which is an excellent relaxation technique. Bottom line, most of the time, moderate pain from a stiff neck can be managed at home. However, some remedies like gentle neck massage, Epsom salt baths, or cold and warm compresses can help you alleviate pain completely. Nevertheless, if the pain doesn't resolve or worsens, it would be best to seek medical attention. Which of these home remedies for stiff neck do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.